I'm Saitec and welcome back to my channel Saitec. In today's we'll try to test the Battlegrounds mobile gameplay test in the IQ7 device after the recent official version update. So yes friends, finally the BGMI game is getting the official update from the Play Store. And the update size is about close to I think 137 MB. As you can see friends, 137 MB is the update size, and just today we did receive the official update. And let's see after updating to the official version, so what will be the default settings and whether we can use the 4D vibrations or whether we can use voice changes. So is there any kind of game frame interpolation supported in this game or not? That is what I'm going to test in the IQ7 device. So let me to update this kind of game. So right now I'm trying to do this kind of video only because I'm getting plenty of requests on this particular game. So BGMI game in the IQ7 device, a lot of users, they are asking me to make a video on this particular topic after the official version. So can you please show us the 90 FPS support? Is there any 4D vibration support? Is there any game frame and voice changes support in this phone or not? Because the phone is capable of having this kind of all these things, because hardware is really good, 120Hz refresh rate you are having, and even the haptic feedback 4D vibrations is really good. So only thing is that the software optimization should be kind of good to implement in this BGMI game. That is what all the IQ7 users need. So only the software is the one which is kind of holding up right now. Let's see, I'm trying to update in front of the camera only, so I'll try to show you exactly what is happening, what are the settings we are getting in this game. So I'll try to do same kind of test with other smartphones as well, testing the 90 FPS, is it got unlocked or not in other devices. That is what I'm going to test it. Let me try to start the game right now. Installing. Let's play the game and let's see. So first thing, so when the game opens, we'll be entering into the game turbo obviously. Let me try to swipe it and let's check here itself whether is there any 4D vibrations and is there any voice changes or not. As you can see friends, still we didn't get any kind of 4D vibration and voice changes. So I do know it should come from the IQ as well in terms of the updating this game, maybe from the FunTouch UI. I'm not sure, but so either the PUBG or either the IQ team, they should work on this kind of updates, giving the users, for the IQ7 users, if the phone is designed for the gamers, then the gamers should have all these kind of options. That is what in my opinion is particularly. So let's see after the opening the settings whether we will be able to get any kind of 90 FPS or not. That is what I'm going to check it's possible or not. Let me try to restart the game. That's one thing which I want to test right now at this point. In case if you have any other queries, so make sure to comment below friends. Definitely I try to do this kind of similar kind of testing in other smartphones as well. After update, is there any settings on changed or not? That is what I'm going to test it. So stay tuned for more videos which I'm going to upload very soon. First, let me go to the settings option. Let me to explore what are the things got changed, and still there is no 90 FPS option. As you can see, there is no 90 FPS. I did expect, but it's not the case, and unfortunately we don't have the 90 FPS option at this point. And Ultra HD, let me to use the Ultra HD. How much? It's kind of downloading and it got stopped, I'm not sure. So UHD obviously is not available. So Ultra HD and Ultra, as you can see friends, Ultra HD and Ultra you can use it. So smooth and XM settings I'll try to select during this time of testing. And so these are the quick review friends on this IQ7 device. So overall I think we don't get that kind of 90 FPS option. So for example, other phones like the IQ3 has got the pressure sensitive triggers, so you can override everything and you can use this kind of pressure sensitive triggers in every game in this phone, in the IQ3 device. So that's a really good option. So same kind of option should be kind of implemented in the IQ7 as well friends, that you should be able to use this kind of benefits like 4D vibrations and voice changes in all the games. So even the MI and the Realme, they treat all the games in the same manner. They give all the games same options, nothing will get changed. But this IQ and this FunTouch UI mainly, I'm not sure why they are treating each game differently. So it should not be like that. They should start treating all the games as equal. Otherwise we'll be able to enjoy this kind of game frame interpolation. That is another main thing. So what a lot of users are actually looking for, game frame interpolation and 4D vibrations and voice changes. So voice changes particularly, we'll be definitely losing them just because of the software thing which is not really optimized. So right now I'm trying to use the screen guard as well. This is my screen guard which I purchased for about only I think 75 rupees. So friends, I'm just trying to do the normal gameplay itself, and if you want me to do any other reviews on this IQ7 device, so make sure to definitely comment below. So let's see what will be the gameplay. So overall, it was really good playing this game. So nothing much major problems. So I wish we could have the 4D vibrations installed in this phone. So with this kind of BGMI update, and definitely friends, try to report to the IQ team as soon as possible in the Twitter. I'm doing my best to report to them as well. So let's see if the more people they ask, the more people we ask, the faster they will definitely try to fix it. But I'm not sure when that's gonna happen. So definitely this is going to take some kind of time as well for a lot of other this kind of update to come. I think 90 FPS. So even I'm trying to report as well. So make sure to report as soon as possible. I'm trying to inform to as many as users as possible for the IQ7 people, because it's really powerful phone. We should not want to waste like this in terms of the gaming for not getting options. So friends, there is nothing much. I think at this point we cannot do anything. So regarding this software updates, I'm not sure when they're going to give us software updates for this kind of particular model. So even they are like slow for the soft phone updates as well, and I'm not sure about the gaming updates whether they'll be fast or not. So that's it friends, thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to check the links in description for more updates on this phone. And don't forget to share the message as well to the IQ team. So try to convey to them via Instagram or the Telegram group. So they are really active in terms of giving the giveaways for a lot of other users. So they'll definitely listen to our feedback as well. So even I'll try to do my best from my side to share the information with the IQ team as soon as possible. In terms of giving the update as soon as possible. So thank you for watching this video friends, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned for more updates, and if you have any other queries, don't forget to ask me, and see you in the next video friends. Until then, bye.